Good morning everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's class student. Today we will discuss about the medicinal use of microorganisms. Yes student, microorganisms are beneficial for us and they are also harmful for us. When they are entered in our body, then we have the different diseases, and those disease students are cured by the microorganisms. Yes, there are the special types of medicines are prepared by the microorganisms, and we can categorize these medicine into two groups student. First is antibiotic, second is vaccine. This antibiotic medicine is used to cure the disease student. When we have the disease, then these antibiotics are introduced by the prescription of the doctor, and when they are entered in our body, then they produce antibodies, and those antibodies fight against those microorganisms that cause us disease. So antibiotics are used to cure the disease. But what are the vaccine student? They are preventive measurement, means they are also the medicines, but what they do, they prevent the particular disease, and they are used to prevent the disease. Now this antibiotic concept was given by a great scientist, and the name of that great scientist student, Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming pioneered one antibiotic, and the name of that antibiotic is penicillin. Penicillin was discovered by the Alexander Fleming. When he was doing research on the bacteria, then he found a special type of fungi, that is penicillium, and that penicillium is used to fight against the bacteria. And what name he gave to that particular antibiotic? He gave name to that antibiotic penicillin. And penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. And he also discovered student lysozyme. Yes, lysozyme. Lysozymes are the special type of enzyme student that are found in our nasal membrane, in our tear glands. And what they do when the bacteria are entered, then those lysozymes digest those bacteria or the pathogens, and they are also found in our tear gland student, lysozyme. So Alexander Fleming discovered the two important things. First is antibiotic, and which antibiotic he discovered? He discovered penicillin. And which enzyme he discovered that fight against the bacteria? That is lysozyme. So lysozyme and penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. And what is the importance of antibiotic student? When we fall sick due to the pathogen, then doctor prescribed us the particular antibiotic, and those antibiotics produce the antibodies in our body, and those antibodies fight against those pathogen, and we are cured from the particular disease. But there is one precaution student: we should take the antibiotics by the prescription of the qualified doctor. We should not take the antibiotic by our own choice, means we go through the chemist and directly we purchase. Always we should take the antibiotics by the prescription of the doctor student, and we should not take the overdose of the antibiotics, and we should complete the course that prescribed the doctor to us. That course we should be completed. And student, precaution to take the antibiotic is very important. If we don't have the precaution to take the antibiotics, then we fall sick, and those antibiotics may fall the adverse effect or on our body. That's why we should have the precaution. Now there are the different type of antibiotic student, like the streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. These are the antibiotics. Next is vaccine student. Vaccines. as you know that the prevention is better than cure. So with the help of the vaccine or with the help of this particular medicine, we can prevent the particular disease. Like nowadays, the people are taking the corona vaccine in the name of Covishield or Covaxin. With the help of that, our body can fight against the corona and we can be immunized against that disease, student. So vaccine concept was given by another scientist. He was a British scientist and the name of that scientist was Edward Jenner, and he discovered the vaccine of smallpox, student. Smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. So you learn it. And when these vaccines are introduced to the body of the person, then what they do, student, they produce the antibodies, and those antibodies protect us from the particular disease. The vaccine that we take means the vaccine that we take, according to that vaccine, our body is protected from particular disease. Like if we take the polio vaccine, then our body can fight against the polio. If we take the tetanus vaccine, then our body can fight against the tetanus disease. Like this, if we take the cholera vaccine, then our body can fight against the cholera. Like in nowadays we are taking the vaccine of COVID-19, so our body can fight against the COVID-19, student. So these are the vaccine, student. So vaccines, what is the difference in between antibiotic and the vaccine? Both are in similarity we can discuss, both are used to kill the microorganisms. But what is the main difference in them? That the antibiotics are used to cure the disease, but vaccines are used to prevent the disease. So which is the best option? Vaccine is the best option, student, because we can use it as preventive measurement against the particular disease. Now you will learn also the name of the scientist who discovered them. Like the vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner, antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming. So it is about the antibiotics and vaccine, student. Thank you very much. Now you will try to cover this topic. Thank you.